Hello you lovely lot, I just wanted to let you know how my injectable glow treatment went. Well, I have to say I just had a few little red marks on my face for about sort of 3 hours afterwards. I went home and I hadn't told my husband what I was doing. You know, a girl's got to have a few beauty secrets. And I thought he might go, "What's wrong with your face?" Not that he talks like that at all, but he didn't. And I noticed that my cheekbones were just slightly higher, probably or a bit fuller, I suppose, for, 2 or 3 days afterwards. And I was like, oh God, please don't go all kind of Pete Burns. And like, no, I didn't at all. I have to say, this is the most natural, wonderful treatment that I've probably ever had. The list of reasons are that even though it's summer, my skin is always dry, so it always needs hydration. Basically, I could probably just wash my face and go. It doesn't need any moisturising at all, which is wonderful when you've had a life of dry skin. Even though I had acne for years, it was still always dry. So my skin just feels so well behaved and really soft. I've been on holiday. And usually when I come back from holiday, especially after being off the aeroplane, it feels parched and tight and I'm having to put masks on. Nah, I don't need to do that at all. I don't know whether you can see, but the fine lines that I have around my eyes are much, much softer compared to my forehead. I must ask Sarah actually, because she didn't put any in my forehead and I've got quite strong lines around the top of my eyebrows here. And I don't know why she didn't put it in the forehead. I will ask her. It was all concentrated around this area. I think the reason is because to give the appearance of looking fresher, just to lift this area and fill this area of the face, it just kind of sharpens your features. And maybe if you put it up here, it isn't. But I will ask her because that's quite an important question. So I'm much more pillowy around my cheeks here and the fine lines spring back straight away. I don't have pillow face in the morning. Oh no, I just wake up and I'm ready to go. I don't have like these creases around my face, or it just springs back. So you can really tell that the skin is like super hydrated from the inside. I'm using the SkinCeuticals Hyaluronic as well. Those two work together because if you continue to do the injectable glow, or Profilo as it's known in the industry, the injectable glow is something that Sarah has named, but it's called Profilo. If you do that, it helps the skin naturally reinforce the hyaluronic that occurs naturally in your skin. So it helps your skin to regenerate that, which again is really important. I just feel much more confident. My skin feels super, super soft, and I've really, really loved the treatment. I would like to have it again, Sarah, in the winter, because I think a lot of us feel quite hydrated in the summer months, but especially in Europe where it's very dry, lots of central heating, and my skin is always much more crepey. It looks much older even though I put lots and lots of product on. I'd like to see how that would give my skin a real boost, in January when you're feeling really bleh. I think that would be a super, super lovely treatment to have. And it's a very personal treatment really, because no one else really knows that you look different. We all feel different things about our skin, like, oh, my skin's this, my skin. No one can see that. So it's a personal thing, but I just feel really, really confident, and I think it's a lovely treatment to have. It is expensive. It is an investment treatment to have. It's £425. It will differ depending on different places you go to, I imagine. But I think if you do have that kind of money to spend and you do want to invest in yourself like that, then I think the injectable glow is a really lovely natural way, because your skin naturally has hyaluronic in it. You're not putting any firm fillers in it. You're not putting any foreign product into your skin that your skin's not used to. Your face can still move, and you're not changing your features. You're just really boosting your natural glow. I hope you found that helpful. It's kind of interesting to do, and Sarah is really brilliant and she's so knowledgeable. If you'd like to know about any other treatments, then let me know. A couple of other things that I want to talk about is LumaT. Now, these supplements I've been taking since April. I did a film in April. If you didn't see it, scoot back to April. I was having a real problem. I have had sleep problems all my life. Anyway, got worse for one reason or another, and so many people have said to me via Instagram, try this, it will really work. But they are marketed as anti-aging supplements, kind of 360 supplement that will look after your hair, your nails, your skin, your digestive process, blah, 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 blah. But they're also really good for helping you sleep because they contain lots of amino acids. Anyway, tick, tick, tick on the sleep, but also look at my nails. Now, I love a nail polish, as most of you will know who watch many of my films. And mostly it's because I hate my nails because I use a lot of detergents, I've got 3 kids, I wash up, I'm a makeup artist. So I'm not gonna have like talons, it's just not practical for me and I don't like it. But this is a whole new world, but they've taken 5 months to grow. But actually that makes sense really, doesn't it? 5 months, you know, for the whole nail to grow from the nail bed all the way up. But I get very excited about taking supplements and I've bought loads over the years, but then I kind of, my interest dwindles and then I stop taking them. But I'm really, really pleased that I kept going with LumaT purely because it helps me sleep and it keeps me really balanced, especially before my period and stuff. I'm less grumpy and emotional. I feel much more level. But I've also got great nails as well, apart from that one, but that's just a genetic thing, same as my mum. And just as an added extra, I wanted to share with you a couple of products that I'm loving and have been using. Have you tried Hourglass's Caution Mascara? Now, Caution is a great name for this product because be cautious if you don't like big full lashes. It's a great brush, a great formula. It dries pretty quickly, but it allows you to have a really, really great lift to your lash. I'm going to do one to show you just to kind of make it nice and quick and easy. It does not smudge. It does not move all day. It's not the easiest mascara to get off. It doesn't just literally dilute as soon as you wash it. It's not waterproof. I mean, look. I mean, look at that. It's that quick. I'm just going to do it a little bit more delicately underneath because I like it to be a little bit heavier on my top lash. But it's so good. I absolutely love this mascara, but it's not natural in the slightest. And it just doesn't move. So if I go into a job and I just want to have great lashes and I want to think about my mascara, I love this. I love it so much. It will dry after about, I think about a minute and a half. So you need to keep lifting as I am now. Once it's dried, do not apply it because then it will go quite cloggy. But look how separated the lashes are. I think it's an amazing, amazing mascara. And I just love the way that it doesn't move, but it doesn't clog my lashes and it doesn't move at all. I know I keep saying move, 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 but you know, a lot of mascaras do move unless you're using a tubing one or a waterproof one, and waterproof ones I just don't like. I think they sort of damage my lashes after a while. I only use them if I really have to. So I'm absolutely loving this mascara. So if you're in a store, go and try it out. Another product I want to share with you is by a British brand called Tropics, and it's 100% natural. But you know what's going on about those products that make you go, when you put them on? I think I need to create like a little page for you all. This lip plumping lip conditioner does that. It's called Rosewood. Look at the colour though. I think it's such a beautiful natural colour. It's really modern. And it's just like liquid fudge. I mean, I guess slightly pointless because, oh, you'll just lick it off. But I just really love this colour. And I've got no base on because I wanted you to see my skin for how it really is after my treatment. So obviously it would look a little bit chicer if it had a base on it. But if I had a base on my complexion. But I think it's such a lovely colour. It's really classy. It's totally natural. You have to get it from the Tropics site itself. They don't sell anywhere else, but it is so comfortable and so lovely. And it's 12 quid. So that's a really lovely find. And here's the box. It's a really nice brand that I've just recently come across. They do some great tanning drops as well. I haven't used them myself, but I've heard in the industry they're very good. I also want to talk to you about Dr. Sam Bunting. Now, many of you probably already subscribe to Sam. I've done a couple of films with Sam. She's an amazing British dermatologist based in London. We did some films together and she was really helpful in sharing what products that she thinks works for teenage skin and for women of my age. They're further down if you want to have a look. This is Dr. Sam's Flawless Cleanser, and it's her first product. Now, if I send any of my clients, which I have done to Sam, if their skin is just breaking out, they're in a complete rut, Sam is a dermatologist that I will send my clients to, and she will always simplify their routine, take it back down to basics. So this product is, it's a clear gel. I'll show you, it comes out just like this, really, it's locked. Really easy, like that. And it's one of those cleansers that keeps on giving. You know when you'd like massage it into your skin, I won't now because I'll get in a right old state. You massage it into your skin and you're like, oh, I just need a bit more. It just literally keeps on emulsifying on your skin. It's really soft, it's really lightweight, and it's very effective. Now, interestingly, Dr. Sam doesn't believe in a double cleanse, and I think she's actually written something on here. Hashtag 1 cleanse, 1 minute. Love her for that. She really sticks to what she believes in. So in Dr. Sam's opinion, this cleanser will take off all your SPF, your long wear makeup, everything that you need. Obviously it doesn't have any fragrance in, it's non-comedemic. It is the most decadent, cleanest, effective cleanser I think I've used. So you don't kind of get that pleasurable feel because you've got a lovely fragrance in it, or it's like really balmy. It's just very effective and very efficient. In fact, it's actually a bit like Sam herself, I have to say. And it's a really decent price. I think it's £16. Now, hold your horses because unfortunately it has sold out, which is obviously a great sign. But if you go to her site and you sign up, I'm sure they can let you know when the next one comes in. But if you're having issues with your skin of sensitivity, rosacea, acne, and you feel a little bit lost, she's your woman. I love the consistency and it will do a very effective cleanse. Anyway, that's kind of a little random product procedure catch up. Let me know what you think, and I always love chatting to you below. And by the way, can I just say, all of you, I mean, we all watch things. I've watched things and I haven't necessarily said, oh, thank you very much, or that was great, because you kind of watch them and click on to the next thing. Thank you for all your lovely comments. I really have the best subscribers, such a great bunch of women, and for that I will keep on making these films because it's opened up a whole area, a whole new industry area for me, and I absolutely love the conversations that we have, and I'm just so grateful for your support. So many thanks and have a great day.